Hi, my name is Shalini Mohanty and I am an assistant professor at Amity School of Fashion Design and Technology at Amity University, Mumbai. The Masters of Design degree program for Fashion Technology spans over 2 years, and the objective of the course is to create avenues for professionals pursuing higher education in the areas of design and fashion. It is designed to focus towards academic concepts and industry-related research and development. Since the fashion industry has evolved to become more multidisciplinary and multidimensional, our approach to teaching in this program has taken a similar path. Students develop the skills needed in creative ways to go beyond the limits of the fashion and design industry. The strong research environment we provide becomes critical in finding solutions to problems and innovate at the same time. Students are constantly in touch with the industry leaders through the various seminars, workshops, and even panel discussions that we constantly hold. This helps them to keep a reality check on what's going beyond these four walls of the classroom and out there in the industry as well. The master's program aims to tap into the opportunities created in the market where there is a wider scope and a place for industry professionals in key positions at higher levels in established companies. And Amity does its absolute best to ensure that they exercise their very best of the skill sets in these students and that they utilize in the company.